Hey there, it's Alex, and this is going to be a quick GrooveKart tutorial to demonstrate how to add a downloadable file into GrooveKart. So if you're looking to sell a digital product such as a ebook or a PDF, then you can do it using this method. So first I'm just going to, I just signed into GrooveKart here, and I'm just going to click on Products in the left-hand side and go to My Products. And then you could go to New Product, but I already have a digital product created right here. So I'm just going to go over to Actions and Edit. And then when you're in your product creation screen or in your product editing screen, over here in the digital product options, it says, does this product have an associated file? And you want to change that to yes, and then upload the file. And then that'll populate these fields, and you can set the number of allowed downloads and the number of days that the link will last for, and then you just click on Save. Alright, so now that has been updated as a downloadable product with a embedded link right here. And I should just mention, I'm not 100% certain about this, but I believe that you are limited to an 8 megabyte file size when you're doing this. That was something I heard. I can't confirm it at the moment, but you might be limited on the size of files that you can use, and if that's the case, then you can always serve them from Google Drive, and I have another tutorial on how to do that in this YouTube channel. So take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.